Welcome to ExamApp. Metals tend to be malleable, which means they can be bent, hammered, or rolled into flat sheets. This is because metals have regular structures and the layers of atoms are able to slide over each other. Because of this, pure metals can be quite soft, so we often mix them with other elements in order to change their properties. Alloys are a mixture of a metal and other elements. Alloys do not have the same regular layers of atoms due to the differences in the sizes of the atoms. Therefore, the layers of atoms cannot slide over each other as easily, so alloys tend to be harder than pure metals. Find more tutorials, revision and quizzes at examapp.co.uk.